Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. WANDA ATIKA WULAN. I am from MUHAMMADIYah Pundong Junior High School. This time, I want to tell you about how to make martabak. The ingredients we need are 30 tablespoons of flour, 30 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, spoonful of milk powder, baking soda, margarine, messes and sweetened condensed milk for topping. The next steps are, first of all, prepare a basin. Add 13 tablespoons of flour. Tablespoons of water. Stir using a spoon. Then add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. A pinch of salt. Spoonful of milk powder, and 1 egg. Stir again until we blend. Then let's stand for an hour covered with transparent plastic. After that, dissolve a little baking soda. And mix into the dough. After that, prepare a teflon. Heat it. Then pour the dough well until it's nestless. If it is nestless, sprinkle with granulated sugar. And cover with a few minutes. After that, leave and place on a flat place like a tray. Then spread with margarine while hot. And put topping on it. And cut it into small pieces. And finally, the martabak is ready to be served. Thank you everyone. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.